Welcome back to my channel. This hand-free, one speaker is not working. Let's see how we can troubleshoot it. Set multimeter to resistance. Connect common wire at second inner ring and check with the outer point. Microphone is giving 1.1 kilo ohm resistance. This microphone is good. Now check resistance between this pin, 34 ohms. Here no resistance. So we have problem with this pin. Open this microphone jacket. Microphone wire okay. This speaker not okay. Now let's check these speakers. 33 ohms. Check this speaker. It's okay. Now we will check continuity of the wires. That where is the disconnection? This terminal okay. Okay, check this side. So signal is reaching here. That means the ground is disconnected. This ground is reaching good here. It is giving resistance here. And if you adjust the resistance, so volume will controlled. So this side ground is reaching good. (300 ohms), and if I will connect here, with this point, so this speaker is good. And now if we check ground, the potentiometer here, this potentiometer is bad. And if we check this pin, this pin is good. So in between this speaker ground point, we have this resistance. So problem here that this potentiometer is not working good. Now we can remove this ground wire from here that is going to speaker. We will connect to direct ground, so we will bypass this potentiometer. To bypass this potentiometer, we will remove right negative out, that is this point, and left negative out we will connect to ground pin. Now I made jumper between these 2 points, that is ground and left volume control, and I also removed this wire. I connected at this point, so both side left and right speakers are now free from the potentiometer. Now we will check its results. .1 kilo ohm microphone, one speaker, second speaker. Now the volume control knob will not work, so we can adjust the volume using mobile phone. Now let's pack it up. Microphone, one speaker, second speaker. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.